Hello friends, today we will be doing an unboxing video of our newly purchased handheld Einscan Hx 3D scanner. We purchased it from Lodestar 3D and they send it via a courier service, but as you can see by seeing the condition of the box, the courier service is not that good and it's damaged, like the outer carton is damaged. Although it has written fragile and handled with care, stickers are put on it, but the service is not good. But not to worry, as we will open it, you will see like it came with a hard casing box that actually protects the 3D scanner, because it's a handheld scanner. We have to travel it with carrying the scanner, so it came with a hard box. So without further ado, let's open it. Let's open it now. Let's take these gloves. I think the inside is pretty much not damaged around. So this is thermocol. It's a hard form, I think. Some materials are more kind of material that is protecting the hard box from all the sides. Let me get these out. You can see this is the hard box. Inside it has the snap. So let's try some. Yes. Okay. Let's get a bit of these. Yeah. This is the hard case in which the scanner has to travel, and it has to travel to a lot of places because we will be using it for every major project on an on-site 3D scanning. So now let's this is the reset that we have. This is chip wrapper for protection patches. There is the end. I think now it's unwrapped and you can see the box. It's a quite hard box. It's a travel case basically. There's wheels, so you can travel it. And I think it's a handle. How to unlock it? Acha. Okay. Nice. And then there's this lock to protect it from opening handle. Both side handles, you can carry it, you can drag it. Nice, the hard case is quite handy actually. I think it helps a lot. Yep. So here it goes. Quite nice foam for protection. Okay, so let's see what's inside the accessories and everything. Yep. I think this is the calibration plate for calibration of the 3D scanner, this HX scanner. I'll show you in the next video how to do the calibration and everything. Let's keep it aside. Let me show you how it came. The packaging. Nice quiet foam cutouts in the foam where all the accessories are put nice and steady. The calibration plate is out now. Let's see. It came with this Solid Edge Shining 3D Edition software. That's a Solid Edge software license. This is RED bundle. Geomagic Essential also came with this scanner. Quite handy, both the softwares. This is for CAD designing, editing. This is for Geomagic mesh editing and mesh detailing. Okay. Then there is this, I think, yep, These are the markers. Markers are used for the scanning purpose. I'll show you in the next video how to use these markers and how it helps a lot. These scanners are they helps a lot while doing the scanning and joining and meshing. Let's keep it aside. Power cable. I think this is a USB cable and connector for connecting your computer or laptop with the scanner. So it has USB 3.0 and 2 jack. That's a different jack to join the scanner. Let's keep it aside. There's this pen drive. I guess this is with the software Einscan PE software for the field. And this is the adapter, and it has quite a lot of types of connectors. So we can use different types of adapter. I can say adapters to join it as per the available socket. We can connect it with bunch of different adapters. I think this might be for different countries. At different countries, the sockets are different, so that's why they are providing the different sockets, a lot of sockets. This is an adapter to power the scanner. Let's keep it aside. Okay, now see how the scanner they have secured using this form. Let's keep it aside, and here it goes. Yes. So this is the scanner. Yay! See, quite lightweight, not very light, but not very, I think, heavy. Pause, brightness, basic details. That's a blue light and blue laser 3D scanner. That's a handheld, quite handy. See, so this is it. This is all the accessories that we have. Once again, this is the scanner, the markers, the calibration plate, this is quite a long cable, adapter cable for connecting the scanner. It's quite handy. I think 10 feet is the size. It's quite handy to carry it around and go to a distance without carrying the laptop to change the push. This is an adapter, and I think adapter's cable is short. Yep. But how to put the laptop? Oh, I don't know. Let's check it. Okay. So this is a pen drive. The sockets, different sockets, yeah, and the solid edge and geometric essentials software. So this is the unboxing video. I hope you like it, and it will probably solve a lot of your queries. If you have any other query, kindly mention in the comment box. We are trying to give you the information about the 3D scanning, 3D printing, additive manufacturing, batch manufacturing. So come, let's join the journey of exploring this additive manufacturing. Kindly do subscribe to the channel and comments for any requirement, any question, anything. So once again, thank you for watching. It's Designifying. Bye.